As you all know, I love desserts. Whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner, I need something sweet. So I always figure out ways to make something really interesting, easy, super easy, and less ingredients, more fun. And I have come up with my yogurt bars for you, which is a 2-ingredient recipe, believe it or not. Simple, easy to make. You can make it with your children. You can make it into a fun activity. You can add all the ingredients you like to eat, and it's sweet. You can have it as a snack. You can have it for breakfast anytime you like. Without much ado, let's get started with my yogurt bars. So for this, what I've done is I have hung the yogurt, ya dahi, that we call in Hindi. So I have just put it in a cloth and I've taken out all the water and I'm going to transfer it into this bowl. We are not obviously going to waste, no wasting. So I'm going to use a spoon and clean all this yogurt from here as much as possible. So what you need to do is when you have curd, you just need to take out extra water and make it into Greek yogurt so that it doesn't have water, and that's what is required for this recipe. You can use a muslin cloth or a cotton cloth so that the water can be strained. So here we are. This is our yogurt. So I told you it's a 2-ingredient recipe. Well, I'll add a small little ingredient, that's vanilla essence to it, and a quick mix. Just we need to make it smooth. It has no water and it's going to be really neutral taste, like it's not sweet, it's not salty, it's just bland and creamy. And here I have, once it's fully mixed, the vanilla essence is well emulsified, all we need to do is take a silicone mold and transfer this yogurt into that. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. And since it's like a third course of my breakfast, I do it every second day or whenever it gets over. And people who are on a diet, it's really amazing for them because it has 0 calories until you add sugar to it or something sweet. And it's really very, very healthy. Yogurt is a probiotic and it really cools down acidity. People who have, a lot of heartburning and stuff like that, who have problems like this, it's really a coolant. And especially in summers, for children, not to have too much sweet but have something really healthy which looks pretty, because kids love things that look pretty, and something that is easy to consume as well. So it's a really great snack for all age groups, unless you are lactose sensitive. And just so that it's smoothened, just tap it a little bit. And now I have some blueberry compote. You get it in the market very easily. Otherwise, you can add any fruit of your choice. You can add saffron, you can add rose water, you can add rose petals, you can add various seeds, add more antioxidants, make it more pretty, fun, and like I said, a fun activity with children. All you need is just half a cup of this blueberry compote, or if you have like some really good jams at home, you can use that, and use a stick to swirl it around so it looks pretty and looks really nice. Look at that. And just spread it. It has a nice marble texture, looks also really good, and you have some fruit, some goodness of everything. I think it's like one of the best snacks you can eat, consume or make. Yum. I'm not going to waste this because this is where the goodness lies. It's done, and now I'm going to put it in the freezer for at least 3-4 hours till it's set, and I have already made one for you. Okay, look at that. My frozen yogurt bar is ready. All I need to do is demold it, which is really easy. Look, Look at that. And you break it into pieces and serve or enjoy. Here we are. And our yogurt bars are ready. Yum. Delicious.